everybody, welcome back to my family taxi. It's nice and hot today and I'm sitting in my park garden. My kids love fruit salad and who would say no to a refreshing fruit salad? So I decided to show you how to make a quick fruit salad. I have plenty of fruits here and I've soaked some chia seeds. As you can see, it's nice and gooey. At the end, I'm going to add all these together and I'm going to use a few tablespoonfuls of maple syrup as well. Now I'm going to get ready with the fruits and I'll show you how exactly it's done. Now I'm ready with all the fruits and I'm going to show you how exactly it's done. I'm going to throw in the watermelon first with all the juice. Now I'm going to add in the melon. Now I'm going to add in the pineapple. Now comes the plum, apples and clementines and kiwis. It's so colorful with all the fruits. Then comes the grapes. Then comes the pomegranate seeds. And then comes the blueberries. And finally the strawberries. So colorful, isn't it? Now I'm going to add in the chia seeds. A little bit more. Finally comes in the maple syrup. And that's it. I'm just going to give it a good toss. Now I'm going to get my little spoons and mix it all around. So the fruits are well mixed with the chia seeds and the maple syrup. And if you have a party or something, leave it in the fridge about 2 hours so it will be nice and cold and refreshing. And our beautiful summer fruit salad is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to my family taxi for more episodes. Bye.